Have you ever thought about freelancing but felt completely overwhelmed? No skills, no portfolio, no clients. It's just you, staring at a screen, wondering where to even begin. Let me tell you something. In 2025, the barrier to entry has been shattered. Thanks to artificial intelligence, anyone, yes, absolutely anyone can start freelancing even if they have never done it before. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on how to begin using free AI tools. By the end of this video, you will know what services to offer, how to deliver them using AI, and how to land your first client, all with zero prior experience. Let us begin with the truth. The traditional way of freelancing is outdated. People used to spend months learning graphic design, copywriting, or coding before even thinking of selling their services. But now AI tools can help you complete these tasks professionally in minutes. So what services can you offer as a beginner in 2025? Here are 5 in-demand services you can start today. AI-powered content writing, using tools like ChatGPT. You can write blog posts, social media captions, emails, and more. Social media management, AI tools like Canva and Buffer can help you design and schedule content easily. Presentation design, with tools like Gamma, App, or Beautiful. AI, you can create professional decks in minutes. Simple website building. Platforms like Durable or Mixo can create landing pages with just a few prompts. Proofreading and editing. Grammarly and Quillbot can turn rough drafts into polished documents. Now, let us talk about how to actually deliver this work without faking your expertise. Suppose a client asks for a 1,000-word blog post. You do not need to panic. Open ChatGPT, input a structured prompt, like, if needed, add visuals using Canva. Export. Done. Write a 1,000-word blog post on top 5 productivity tools for remote workers in a professional and engaging tone. ChatGPT generates the core content. Use Grammarly to refine it. Check tone and fix grammar. You just completed a paid task, professionally, without ever writing from scratch. Now let us cover the most important part. How do you find clients? Start with Fiverr. It is beginner-friendly, and you do not need to apply to gigs. Clients find you. Create a profile that highlights AI-enhanced delivery. For example, I use advanced AI tools to provide high-quality content. Designs and automation for your business, faster and cheaper. List a few starter gigs. I will write an SEO blog post using AI tools. You will need to write custom proposals. This is where ChatGPT comes in again. I will design social media graphics using Canva and AI. I will proofread and edit your document using AI assistants. Now, if you are going to Upwork, it is a bit more competitive. Prompt. Host them on Notion or Google Drive and add links to your profile. Clients are hiring you for results. Show them you can deliver, even if you have not worked with others yet. Write a convincing proposal for a beginner freelancer offering AI-powered blog writing services to a small business. Edit the output to add your tone and send it. AI is the tool. You are still the creator. Now, here is the question I get all the time. But what if I have no experience or portfolio? Add more advanced services like automation using Zapier or email sequences written by ChatGPT. Create a mock portfolio. Use AI to make a sample blog post, a presentation, or social media content. And yes, you can absolutely scale this over time. After 3 to 5 successful projects, start charging higher. Bundle services. Use client feedback to refine your profile. But I want to be clear. Freelancing with AI is not about cheating the system. It is about leveraging tools smartly, ethically, and efficiently. You still need to think, revise, and care about quality. Just you, smart tools, and a willingness to take the first step. So here is your action plan. Choose one service that excites you. And if this helped, like the video, subscribe to Byte to Bank. And turn on the bell because the next video is going to show you how to build a full-time AI-powered freelance business in 30 days. Create a mock sample using AI. Set up your Fiverr or Upwork profile. Start applying or wait for buyers. Use AI to complete and polish your delivery. Collect reviews, improve scale, no expensive courses, no years of learning. The freelancing world in 2025 is wide open for those who are bold enough to enter. Are you one of them? Let me know in the comments if you are taking action today. Thank you for watching, and go create your first win.